Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my first project for June for Spiegelmomscraps, and welcome to day 4 of 30 Days of Sketches series 12. Of course it's Sunday, so the Sketch Sunday crew is also playing along with 30 Days of Sketches. We have a playlist down below where we all add our videos too, so that you can easily find us. And if you would like us to find you, use the hashtag 30DSCBL12. Now let's have a look at the June sequence before we start playing for Spiegelmomscraps. And we have some fun, lots of nice variety and fun color combos for June. Spring and summer together, I think. Now, a lot of these have been made to go along with some specific collections. Pop on over to the Spread the Sparkle group, and you'll be able to see a photo there with the sequins and some of the matches. So we have Carnival, which was designed by the lovely Sarah Scraps, some lovely pinks and navies, and a lovely iridescent yellow aqua. Just such a lovely versatile mix. And Cocoa Vanilla comes to mind. And even I'm working with New Day, my collection obsession this month. I'm sure that will fit beautifully with that. Sweet Pea, more pastel, paler, a lovely beige, sort of a cream. Very, very pale. I guess we could call this a very, very pale butterscotch. Cinnamon color, nice light baby blue and baby pink. Frolic Along. Oh, that's a little earthier. In tone with the lovely greens, and there's some white even in here and a little bit of black, and again some browns, some gray. Just a lovely collection. And Find the Joy, which is into the peaches, corals, and the lovely aqua green. And we have a little bit of outdoor noise to accompany us. I'm filming very early, so that I can get a lot of things started before the heat sets in today. I'm pre-recording this, and it is going to be 34 on the thermometer. So luckily the nights cool down so that I'm able to turn the air conditioners off and open some of the windows when it gets to 3 or 4 in the morning. That will not probably be the case tonight, but anyway, so there you go. Those are, and there is one more mix, I think, that I don't have. So let's have a look at, you can see today's sketch up here in the corner. And of course, just look at that sketch. It is by the lovely Jessica Michaels, who is on the design team with us as well here on Spiegelmomscraps. And this is her exclusive sketch for 30 Days of Sketches. And does that not just beg for a shaker element? Of course it does. And I think it begs for Frolic Along. So my idea for this one, and this I'm using scraps, and I don't mind, I sort of open my drawer where I have my envelope with scraps in it, and these were sort of together, and I thought, I think that would be fun. I don't need a lot of pattern paper on this layout, so let's get these scraps used up. So we have a photo. I've already cut my circle here of Jack and his muddy paws having an amazing time playing in the mud on one of the days here that it was pouring down. So he thought that was quite fun. So I'm going to have the one photo. Now you see, so my original idea was to mat the photo on this circle because I pre-cut you know, some of my circles, and then I will have this as the shaker element. But when I look at this, I find it needs a little bit more grounding, and it needs a little bit of black. So I have this Bella Boulevard Besties, and I thought, well, maybe I'll do just a tiny circle, just fussy cut it out, and then distress it to get some of that black, and I think it will definitely give a better effect. But then I sort of just turned this over, because the back side of this, this is a Vicki Boutin paper, was a set of journaling cards. But then if I look at this one, now you see that might be fine. What do you think, my friends? I don't know if I'm going to bring this in or not. So we have this, and then we have these bits which will give us our banner pieces. And that's what I might do, is bring the banner pieces in with these two and a little bit of the Bella Boulevard Besties, have my photo and the shaker element here. What do you think, my friends? Now, I think the background might need a little bit of mixed media, a little bit of packaging, not too much, but just a little bit of packaging in sort of the green tones, I think. Okay, my friends, let me go get some of these strips cut, and we'll have a little bit better of an idea. Okay, so I just went off and sort of got some of these cut, and yeah, I'm thinking, you see, we would do something like this, and bring the black and bring this one over together with a little bit of the black, and then the paler one, and do something similar up here. Of course, there we go. Oh my goodness me, the puppies are saying hello as well now. The neighborhood puppies are saying hello. They're taking over from my boy, I guess, and greeting you this morning. So something like that with these. You know what? I like where this is going, my friends. Let me go get a little bit of packaging technique, get some of this mounted, and I will come back and we will finish this together. I think the title will be Mud Bath, I think. What do you guys think? Back in a sec. Okay, my friends, so this one is almost done. I went off and I glued things down as I said I would, but I did go in and do some mixed media, just basic packaging technique on the background before continuing, and I really, really love this. And I wasn't sure what colors to use and mix to try and get something similar to this pattern paper, because I love the mixture of the sort of aqua minty green and the closer to lime, earthy lime. Is that a word? Or is that a color? Shannon, is that a color? Combination. And so I went into my shimmer stash and I got this Vibes in Palm Reader and my colorings in Oh Can You See. And you know, this is one of my favorite colors. It's flat and this is a little bit shiny. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try it, and if not, we just turn the paper over. And in the end, I love it. If you look at these two colors together, they don't really look as though they would go, but I love the effect, and it goes perfectly with that pattern paper. And these leaves, chipboard leaves that I took from the Vicki Boutin print shop collection, and having done the mixed media and used these papers gave me the idea to pop into that stash. So then I got my photo down, and I did use the back side where there is the black but broken with a little bit of white and even a little bit of color here. Used the paper, and then I tore them. I think when I was talking to you a minute ago, I thought I was going to do maybe a fishtail banner, but I went off and I did exactly as Jessica did in the sketch, and I tore them. I added a little bit of embellishment here, and now we need to do the title together and probably add a few more sequins. Now, I was thinking of mud bath, but now that I look at the space that I have, I think we're going to do fun in the mud. Because Jack was certainly having fun, but Joey was sending me a photo with, you know, the face palm. But anyway, so let's get all of our lovely black foam out. And so I have fun. Now, I'm going to try and center this a little bit, I think. So you see the center would be here. So let's go and put an eye. Let me go find an eye. We have many, many of these, I'm sure. Oh, right there on the very, very first one. So there we go. So like I said, the middle is here, so I'm going to do something like that right there. Let's find some ends. Okay. So we'll use this one there. Let's bring this over just a little bit, and then we'll do all capitals. Let me put the dot. There we go. Then let's do fun here so that I can have an N. I will do, there we go, the F, and let's get a U. I'm going to need more of these. I don't know if the kids, are they still available? I don't remember. I know they're thickers, and they're gorgeous foam. I don't remember if they went with a collection, if I just bought them as is, but I do actually love them. One of my favorite, like, I love the size. I think the size is just perfect. So there we go. So fun in, and let's do the mud. Hopefully we'll find a T. We have a T somewhere. We need a T. Okay, my friends, I will be right back. Okay, my friends, so I took an L, and I'm just cutting the bottom off, and we will pop that here as the T. So my letters are really getting picked over. So we have a mixture of capitals. Ooh, hang on. It needs to move over a little bit. We have a mixture of capitals and lowercase. There. But you know what? I think it sort of goes with the whimsy. So fun in the mud. There we go. And I think the only thing we are now going to come and do is pop a few sequins in here just to finish this off in the green. And you know what? Should I put, just for the fun of it, because there are some in the shaker, and there's just this tiny touch of peach peeking out here. So for that to look as though it is part of the layout and not just some random peach sticking out, let's add that. And I think that will complete it. Get that here. The mud, I don't really need any there. We'll pop just here, just a green and a black, I think, up there. There we go. And over here we will do all. So green. Let's get the sort of lovely peachy color here. There we go. And a black right there. Okay. There we go. And just a green and a peach, I think, here for the fun of it, because we have the black. There we go. So you have sequins in 5 places. There you go, my friends. That completes this one. So 30 Days of Sketches Series 12, Day 4. My Sketch Sunday crew, we are playing along, of course. I will have them, I will have my friends listed separately below. The playlist will be there. And of course, my friends, go grab yourself some gorgeous June Spiegelmomscraps sequins. The pre-order is up. Use my affiliate if you would be so kind. Down below, it doesn't cost you any more. Gives me a little bit something to keep this channel going. On the pre-order, don't use my code. Well, it won't work anyway because the pre-order prices are better. I think it's about a 20% discount. But on anything else in the store, use my code Moira15 to get 15% off your order. And I will see you back here tomorrow, my friends, with Day 5. Bye for now.